customs, PC, bloods, eye monitor, graphics, cards, and more best price in Pakistan. Welcome to Tech ARC, you primer destinations for high quality technology and hardware products in Pakistan. We offer a wide range of components, including monitors, casing, graphics card, and more, all at reasonable price. Whatever you are blending a few a new custom PC or upgrading your current setup, we have got you covered. Shop online and www dot tech arcpkf or visit our store in Karachi for the best deal, quality products and expert advice, experience the best in the tech with tech arc. Fresh Tech ARC took the time to listen to my specific requirement and help me choose the best components for my PC board. He expertly my PC, ensuring that everything was in perfect working order before handing it over to me. Every cable was neatly organized, and they even took time to provide me with introductions on how to maintain and care of my PC. Overall, I cannot recommended Tech ARC. Uh, for anyone in need of a high quality PC need, I will be definitely using their service again in the future. Thanks you Tech ARC for a job well done. I ordered WD Green 20 200 GB SSD SATA cable and Logitech the G4 502, and all three were delivered on time. This is my second buying experience with Tech ARC. Customer service is exceptional, and all my questions and concerns were we answered in timely manner. I am uh, status satisfied with this experience. All my products came with warranty. Overall, I am very satisfied with my purchase.